When searching for reliable alternatives to the Quotex Broker for binary options trading, several platforms stand out due to their unique features, flexibility, and user-focused designs. Option Blitz is a highly secure and versatile platform that supports both binary and American-style options. It offers a wide range of assets, including currencies, commodities, indices, and stocks, providing traders with ample opportunities to diversify their portfolios. While it lacks short-term binary options, its user-friendly interface and advanced security measures make it an excellent choice for traders seeking a dependable and robust trading environment. Another noteworthy option is Binary Cent, which caters to both beginners and experienced traders. With a low minimum trade requirement of just 10 cents, it's particularly appealing to those with a cautious approach to trading. The platform also features a copy trading function, allowing users to replicate successful strategies from other traders. Binary Cent supports quick withdrawals, weekend trading, and multiple payment methods while offering bonuses of up to 100%. However, it does lack training materials, which may be a drawback for novice traders. IQ Cent also ranks high among Quotex alternatives. This platform provides access to over 100 markets, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. It features advanced copy trading, allowing users to mimic the strategies of experienced traders. The platform offers a 1-100 leverage option and attractive bonuses for referrals and deposits, making it a solid choice for beginners. However, its $500 minimum deposit requirement and lack of regulation may concern some traders. For those seeking a platform with an extensive reward system, Race Option is worth considering. With over 150 assets, the platform offers traders plenty of options. It also includes a copy trading feature and provides referral rewards, bonuses, and weekly contests. Race Option requires a minimum deposit of $250 and a minimum withdrawal of $50, making it accessible to most traders. However, the limited educational resources and customer support options may be limiting for some users. Forex is another viable alternative, offering access to over 100 assets and featuring a straightforward interface that is easy to navigate. Its low minimum deposit of $50, $500 leverage, and risk-free trading options make it attractive to traders of all levels. Forex also supports live trades and copy trading for added convenience, though the platform's lack of educational materials is a potential drawback. Lastly, Trade, a long-standing platform since 2014, offers fast trade execution, multiple trading tools, and a wide variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. While it excels in features like quick withdrawals and excellent support, it has regional restrictions and requires account verification, which could limit its accessibility for some users. These platforms, Option Blitz, Binary Cent, IQ Cent, Race Option, Forex, and Trade, each offer unique features that make them strong competitors to Quotex, ensuring traders can find an option tailored to their needs.